early to rise, time to shine. That's the motto for the other main character called Dusk. Dusk is an extroverted hard worker who loves to do everything by the book with no mistakes. Her aim within the comic is to be a great adventurer just like her older brother, who unfortunately left when she was 10 years old to explore even the unknown parts of their world, some parts that are even taboo to travel to. She is under rule by a queen who does not approve of beings that are disorderly, such as them doing rendezvous or things that aren't to do with working. So if you aren't doing something like performing arts for the queen, just forget about it. And if anyone does anything to break these rules, they will be banished to the darkest depths of the forest, never to return and enjoy the sunlight. Her day job is an art supplies retail worker. She works with a horrible manager and horrible customers that don't even give her a second look. And throughout the many weeks that she's there, she feels that she's meant for more than this, hence her yearning to go out and explore the world. So what is her fashion and style like? She has unique facial features, so for instance the black dots on both of her cheeks are representative of her certain race within the world. And her specific race with the black dots on the cheeks is to do with being a songbird, so they're especially amazing at singing. And in particular singing for the royal court, aka the Queen. For the initial concept designs, Dusk initially had a dress which was purples, and as for her hairstyle, her hair had large curls that were very pronounced and you could just see the swirls within them, but I wanted to change that and give it a bit more of an afro texture. Also, her pointed ears weren't as long as they are right now, as you can see here, and because of the race she's in, her ears are actually meant to be extremely long and have like a single feathered look to it, hence the little ridge at the top before it points out at the second bit. So the only thing she really kept, however, was the feathered hat which was gifted to her by her older brother. But she only wears it in the late evening to avoid stares from the townsfolk because of the dark colours, which are very frowned upon within the society because they appreciate more yellows, oranges, more earthy colours, and especially green. So what are some of the quirks that she has? She's a fast learner and is always Employee of the Month at her job, and has the habit of humming loudly when there's silences, and giving funny nicknames to objects and to others whenever they walk into the store for her own entertainment. After a hard day's work, she enjoys reading romances and learning the banned book within her world, which is the Book of Creatures, as mentioned by Dawn. And that's all I'll reveal about Dusk. Thanks to everyone who has kept up with me and my character reveals and has enjoyed my designs. For now, I'll be working on drawing the chapters, and as you can imagine, it will take a large amount of time to create everything. And I really don't want to rush because I'll be using traditional methods, so paper, pens, pencils and everything like that, paints, and it'll be a bit more tricky to not get wrong. For my next videos, I'll be talking about my journey with rebranding because I want to shake things up with my art business that I've taken a break from, which was originally called Vivid Seams. And instead it'll be called Eclipse's Dream Log, so it'll be towards my memories in the early 2000s, any memories that I might have dug up from the 90s. So alongside these Dreamlog videos, I'll also be doing some world building videos that will kind of allude to more of the characters within the story. So if you think of a day in the life of Inca, for instance. Also there'll be a few more places within the comic that I'll be showing. So do keep an eye out for any community tabs posts, so I'll be doing more polls as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!